Hello everyone. Very good afternoon. Sorry, got delayed. My last class just on the dot. And Brinda, unmute first. I want to talk to Brinda.
Yes,
Brinda, first of all, very sorry. I just saw, I think you registered for all those courses. I sent to all. I don't know how I missed you. So sorry you got delayed by first 5 minutes in last class.
it's okay, sir.
It was my mistake.
No problem, sir. It is not.
So good, you reminded me. So no, after this class I'll send you all the links, whatever class is happening. Okay.
Yes.
Thank you for so much patience.
Okay, sir. No problem.
So everybody, welcome. Let's see who else we have. We have Brinda, we have Venki, we have Himanshu Singh, Shubhi. अरे शुभी इतना ठंड है क्या वहाँ पे?
हाँ सर बहुत ठंड है यहाँ पे.
कितना 5 डिग्री?
No sir, it's 18 but it's still very chill.
18 डिग्री?
Sir, it is very chill. There is no sunlight from morning.
कौन सा सिटी? आगरा?
No sir, Gurgaon.
गुड़गांव. हाँ, गुड़गांव में होगा. Okay, good. Enjoy the winter.
It's
Himanshu.
not enjoying at all.
Okay. So we have Niyati, Asha, Skand, Asta, Manya, good to see you again. Shubham, Divya, Shilpa, good. Guys, I'll tell you what this course is about. I think everybody knows me now, right? No, I don't think, okay, only Himanshu is the new one. Let me talk to Himanshu, and then everybody knows me. You attended my one or many more courses, right? Hi, Himanshu, unmute, please.
Hello, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Himanshu, which city are you from?
Sir, I am from Varanasi, currently pursuing my BTech from Kanpur.
IIT Kanpur?
HBTU.
IIT Kanpur? Okay, so you are in Kanpur currently. Classes are happening in IIT now or in the Kanpur or no currently?
Sir?
Online, is it online classes happening or actual classes happening in the college?
Sir, online. Everything is online now.
Only thing online, right? Not started the actual college, right? Okay.
No, sir.
Good. Welcome, Himanshu. So my introduction on the screen. You can go through it, ask any question. And everybody else knows me about me, so no need to repeat the introduction. Welcome, everybody. Now, this is what I call RMA and why we select this topic. Let's go through the content first. This is going to be a fun course compared to all my 12 courses. This is one of the most, you can say, fun-loving course. Little more easy, more fun. Let me show you what this course will contain. As you already know the posters, but still let me show you. 1 second. And everybody till then, please write your name and city in the chat box for the attendance, please. Each one, your name and city, that's it. Every day when you join. Till that, let me open my RMA. Where is RMA? This would be RMA. So what I did is now, see here in RMA, based on most of the competitive exam, I have collected all the topics which are most important for all the exams. And that is what RMA is about. You get number series, alphabet series in most of the exam. We'll do ranking and sequencing, time sequencing, order and ranking will do. We are also going to do coding, decoding of various types. There are 4 or 5 different types of coding, decoding. Every exam, it's a must. We will do direction, sense, and blood relation in one class, both these topics. We are also going to do analogy, classification, and odd one out. We are going to do numerical reasoning, and then also we are going to do syllogism. 7 days, we are going to cover these 9 topics. That is about, it will cover most, but I am not say full, because there is sitting arrangement, there is more, but in these 7 days of workshop, you will cover those 9 topics, how to handle those, how to approach this aptitude, reasoning aptitude in your competitive exam. That's the whole objective. So we can do any topic in any order. There is no such order as such, like the way it happens in Vedic Maths. No, here no order as such. Do any topic in any of the order. Let me think what we should do today. Today I'm thinking we'll do order and ranking. Order and ranking and sequencing. Very important topic, sequencing and order and ranking. This is what we're going to do together today. What does it mean by that? Let me first use the whiteboard. We are going to use the whiteboard. First of all, we learn about sequencing. Number sequencing. Easy, but little confusing topic. Number sequencing. If I write a number like this, say 5, 8, 2, 3, something. It's not a series. I'll just ask you one simple question. In some of the topics, you would have gone through this, Shubhi maybe, I don't know. Number sequencing. If I say 5, 8, 2, 3, tell me which of the below, read all the statements first, and then tell me which of them are right or true. Wake up, Shubhi. So, is it okay to say 5 is followed by 8? Or is it okay to say 8 is followed by 5? Or is it okay to say, I'll confuse you a lot, okay? I'll confuse you a lot. 5 follows.
Sir, it's only talking about this line, right? It's not talking about like the actual thing.
Only about this in this example, because I want to explain you what follow, succeed, precedes means. Okay, Asta? In this question. Or it means here 8 follows 5. Or I can say, I'm going to write lot, so wait. When I'm done, I'll tell you wait. Or I can say 5 is preceded by 8. Or I can say, there are so many ways to say same thing. 8 is preceded by 5. Or I can say 5 precedes 8. Or I can say 8 precedes 5. So everybody go through these 8 statements and just tell me on the chat which of the statement you feel is true. That's it. Write A, B, C, D, E, F, G, whichever you feel true. That is the basis of our next set of questions, first set of questions. Take your time. Once you are clear with this, then number sequencing is easy.
So what's the difference between preceded and precedes?
वही तो. One is direct speech, one is indirect speech. Active passive voice you can say, or indirect direct.
So sir, if there's no difference, then what's the reason?
It's a difference. मैंने बोला difference है. It's active and passive voice. Big difference. I follow you. I am followed by you. दोनों उल्टा होता है एकदम. Right? It is different. Niti, you have a question? And I'll tell you guys, out of 8, 4 are true, or 4 are false, okay? So I'll tell you idea. 4 true, 4 false. And after that, you take a snapshot of this.
Sir, for E to G, E to H, can you just explain it after that?
I'll explain now itself. Don't worry. That's the objective. Why I'm asking this is, first I want to hear from you guys. Then I'm going to explain. Everybody put your thoughts. Manya, you come on. Tell me how you read this 5, 8, 2, 3.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, Manya. And how are you?
I'm good, sir.
Yes. In your opinion, which are true? I know many have answered. I have not seen everybody answer
B,
yet.
C, F, and G.
B, C, F, and G. Means you are saying, okay, F is followed by 5. Okay. 5 follow that. Okay. So I'll explain, guys, everyone. Thank you, Manya. See, guys, what happens. When you say, I'll read again. No, I'll read the exact way of how we read. If I have to use word follow, listen carefully. If I have to use the word follow, I say 5 is followed by 8. 8 is followed by 2. 2 is followed by 3. It's a passive voice, followed by. 5 is followed by. Who is following 5? 8 is following 5. 5 is followed by 8. 8 is followed by 2. 2 is followed by 3. But if I use direct, if I use like say active voice, I'll say 8 follows 5. 8 follows. In Hindi, you know tenses, right? In English, simple present tense, present definite tense, present continuous tense. You know or not? When you say 8 follows 5, 8 5 का पीछा करता है. Simple indefinite tense, present indefinite tense, right? So 8 follows 5, 2 follows 8, 3 follows 2. That is the correct way of saying. If I use the word follow or followed by. Follows, simple present tense, followed by, it's a passive voice. I don't know, many of you know that I teach English tenses and grammar, right? So very important to know how it works. But if I use precede means होता है पहले, follow means बाद में, precedes means पहले. So I'll say 8 is preceded by 5, 2 is preceded by 8, 3 is preceded by 2. मतलब 8 is preceded by 5 means what? 8 के पहले 5. 2 is preceded by 8, 2 के पहले 8. And if I have to use what only precedes, then I'll say 5 precedes 8, 8 precedes 2, 2 precedes 3. That is the correct way of saying. No, can you write the answer if you understood? I'll take it in a moment. Can you tell me which of these 8 are correct now? If you understood, Shubhi. Confused, Sara, Shubhi?
Sir, according to me, तो फिर सब correct है.
नहीं, सब correct कहाँ है?
Me 5 is followed by 8.
देखो.
Alright, 8 is followed by 2.
5 is followed by 8. ये सही हो गया?
हाँ. 5 follows 8.
नहीं, 8 follows 5.
So
5
why
follows
8
down.
follows 5?
पहले कौन आ रहा है? Who is following? अच्छा.
5 is following, no?
हाँ, 5 is not following. 8 is following. 5
Okay,
तो आगे है
8
ना?
is followed by 5. 8 follows 5.
तो
Okay.
गड़बड़ हो गया ना फिर?
Okay, okay.
ये भी गड़बड़ हो गया. Correct?
5 is preceded by 8.
5 is preceded by 8. 8 is preceded by 5. ये गड़बड़ हो गया.
So why आपने बोला ना precede means पहले.
वो तो हाँ preceded by passive voice हो गया ना. देखो 5 precedes 8. This is the final answer of this question. देखो when we say Shubhi drinks tea, ये हुआ simple tense. Drink is drank by Shubhi. ये उल्टा meaning this is other way of saying, right? Passive voice. जब हम लोग बोलते हैं 8 is preceded by 5, तो passive में बोल रहे हैं ना हम लोग. तो 8 is preceded by 5 मतलब कि पहले 5 आ रहा है और उसके बाद 8 आ रहा है. So you don't have to worry, you have to just think about like this. This is the normal way of if you use simple tense. 8 follows 5, 8 precedes 5. That's it. This two. This is the normal way of. Is everyone clear on this? We are going to solve this question. Let's do one thing. Take a screenshot of this. I'll write one more question here. You will write on the chat what do you mean by that. And then we are going to solve the question. Take a screenshot of this. I'll remove this. If I put like this, 3, 5, 7. And if I write this is followed by Bolo, let me write here 5 also. Tell me what you'll write in the blank. That will clearly it will tell you what. What do you write there?
3 is followed by 5.
Exactly. Because followed by, who is followed by 5? 3 is followed by 5. If I write what do you write? Right, Shubhi. 7 follows 5. That's it. Similarly for precedes also. Now I'll move on to question. This is just an example. Actual questions are different. Ready? Now everybody has to go through and write the answer and then we'll move on. That's it. This is called number sequencing. It requires only two things. Whatever I explained, this is the concept, and second thing is the observation, nothing else. Very easy topic. Go through it, everybody, and tell your answer then. How many such 5s are there in the following number sequence? Each of it is immediately preceded by 3 or 4, but not immediately followed by 8 or 9. Okay, take your time, do it. Okay, Asta says 3. What are others?
2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
See, answers coming so different from different people. How many such 5s are there? You have to look only for those 5s. Now it's come our understanding of preceded by and followed by, right? Niyati, tell me, what sequence we are looking for? We are looking for those 5s. Before that, what? Niyati?
Hello, sir.
Yes, Niyati. What we are looking for? I am saying how many such 5s are there in the following
Preceded
sequence?
by 3 or
Preceded by 3 or 4 means what? 3 or 4 should come before 5 or after 5? What preceded by means?
after 5.
No. Preceded
Before.
by before 5. So before 5 either 3 or 4. Any of these okay. Manya. It said not immediately followed by 8 or 9 means what?
सर मतलब 5 के बाद 8 और
बाद
9
नहीं
ही होना चाहिए
नहीं होना चाहिए. Not.
हाँ ये सर
Not
नहीं
means-
होना चाहिए 5 के बाद
8 या 9 दोनों नहीं होना चाहिए. So those 5s you have to look for. So thank you, Manya. Let's see how we'll do that. First I'll put all the 5s so that no confusion. And then we'll say yes, no, yes, no. These many 5s are there. Now you have to look for those 5 before that 3 or 4 is there. Yes, 3 or 4 is there, but 9 is there. Will not count this. Next one will not count because 3 or 4 is not there. Next one, 3 or 4 is there. This is proper.
Yes,
This
sir.
count is good. Okay, Asta, tell me this one. Shall we count next one or not?
No.
Why not?
It's not preceded by 3 or
Correct.
4.
Next one? No.
No.
Because 8 is there. What about this one?
Yes.
Because 4 is there, good, and 8 or 9 is not there. What about the next one?
Yes.
Yes. What about next one?
No.
No, because 3 or 4 is not. What about next one? Again.
No.
What about next one?
Yes.
Yes, because 4 is there, and after that 8 or 9 is not. And the last one?
Yes.
So how many total?
5.
So answer is there are such 5 is 5. So Manya was right. Who else is right? Some of you had done right. Asta was.
Sir, I was about to write 5 because when I counted it again, but then I was too late. You started explaining.
Okay, no worries. So understood, guys? Let's try one more. Self-explanatory. We have to understand meaning of this part, and then you have to observe. That's the only thing. Right? Everyone got it? Himanshu? Yeah, Himanshu was right. Good, Himanshu. So this time I expect everyone to do right. Okay, please? Take your time now, hurry. You can ask many queries before you start solving, if any do you have. Please solve this. How many such prime numbers are there in the following number sequence? And I believe everybody knows what is prime numbers. Anyone could solve? How many such prime numbers are there in the following number sequence, each of which immediately preceded by an odd number, but not immediately followed by 8 or an odd number? Let's start with Himanshu. Can you unmute? Himanshu, are you there? Himanshu Singh? No, Himanshu, we'll solve together, Himanshu. I don't want to answer, guys. So Himanshu will solve together. Let everybody solve it.
Yes.
You will explain. Himanshu, first of all, we are looking for prime numbers, correct? So tell me
Yes,
which
sir.
number I should
Prime
take.
numbers.
So tell me which number I should take. 3. Then
Sir, 3 is prime, 5 is prime.
keep telling me.
Again 5 is prime. So then 5 is prime, 5 is prime, 3 is prime, 5 is prime,
Then
5, then 7,
then
3,
then
5, 7,
5,
all 5,
all
uh,
5, 2, 3.
5,
What about is 1?
3, 5.
1.
1 is neither prime nor composite.
So 1 is not a prime. 0 also not. So now tell me, Himanshu, what we are looking for?
Sir, number it should be preceded by an odd number and not
So I can say prime
succeeded by
before prime
8.
it should be odd, right? Before the prime it should be odd, right?
Odd.
preceded by means what? Before or after?
Before, sir, na?
Before. And not be followed by. So after prime, you should not have
8
add.
and
So means what else can have? We can have either 2, 4, 6.
2, 4, 6, all even except 8.
So 0 to 4, 6 only, right? So
2,
it can
4,
have
6.
only 0 to 4, 6, 8, right?
Yes, sir.
Right or wrong?
Sir, 0, 2, 4, 6, shouldn't it be 8 and or any odd number?
Not even followed by 8 or any odd number. That's why this of the number. That's why only even numbers can happen except 8.
Oh,
Two
okay.
can
So I
happen, two
thought
can
that
happen,
you were
four can
saying
happen.
that it should not be followed.
No, no, no. So let's start now. You have to find only those prime numbers. First one anyway is gone. We need before 5 odd is there, but this is gone. Next 5 also. This is okay or not?
Makes sense. This is okay.
Perfect. Next 5
Odd and after
gone.
that,
This is
no,
gone.
odd is bad.
3 is gone.
This is gone. All which
You
followed by
tell me
odd
one.
are gone.
I know. This 5 before is gone. 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 We need even number and 0 to 4, 6 after that. What about this 5? This is
This
good.
is correct, sir.
This is gone. This is gone. Gone. This 5 gone. Nothing else. So what should be the answer, guys?
2.
Only 2 such numbers are there. Tell me how many people got exactly 2? Because I got some people are getting different.
Sir,
Next
I
to
got
Himanshu.
2, but I had a doubt. 5 and 5 are same, no? That's why I didn't write 2. 5 and 5 are same, so...
No. They are not asking how many such unique prime numbers. No. We'll count twice. Even if 5 3 times will come 3. You are right. You are assuming both 5s are same, so you count only once. No. We are not counting unique prime numbers. So we'll count both, okay? But good thought. Very good. So in this kind of sequencing question, we just count how many instances are there, okay? Is everyone okay? Now, before Brinda, you have a question? Your hand is raised.
Sir, for the first 5, before 9 is an odd number, no, sir. Then how it will?
This one?
Sorry, sir. That marked one.
This one?
Yes, sir. Before that 9.
We need odd, na? We need odd number before prime and we need 0 to 4 or 6 after 5. Does it say preceded by an odd number, right? See, it says preceded by odd number, na?
Oh, we need odd. Oh, okay,
We
sir.
need odd, yes, you are right.
Oh, sorry, sir. Correct.
Thank you. Next. Now I'll do the sub question on ranking. Very important way of solving ranking. I'll tell you how to do it. Start with one problem on ranking first. Then some more problems. Sequencing is done by like this. Okay. Suppose I give you like this question. We are going to do many ranking problems. Mute, please. I'll show you how to do this kind of questions. Though you might know some of you, but understand the basic way of solving the problem. It's not about just what is the thing which will be very helpful. See, it says row boys facing north. It's a row. See, ranking can be two, either row wise or column wise, top to bottom. Row wise. So say this is my ranking system. So why facing north is important? Because if I put facing north, then I clearly know this is my left side, this is my right side, if I am facing north. But if I am facing south, my left and right changes. That's why the mistake happens. So we have to be very careful. Here it says facing north. Facing north. So this is my left side, this is my right side. Nothing to worry. Okay? Forget this now. Concept is done. It says row. We put the row. A is 16th from the left. From the left. A is 16. Suppose A is somewhere here. We don't know where, somewhere A is there. The best option or the best way to solve this question is this. If A is 16th from the left, how many people are there before A? The moment you write that, your lot of information is available to you. You know there are 15 people before A in the left side because A is 16th from the left. Now read. B is 8th from the right. From the right. So either B can be somewhere here or can be here also, right? Let's assume B is here somewhere. We can change it later. There are two possibilities. If B is 8th from the right, how many people will be there? 7 people will be there from right, right? 8 from the right. 7 people. B can be here also somewhere. We'll see in the end. C is immediately to the left of A. C is exactly here. Left of A. So not 15, 14 people are there, right? 14 people, then C, then A. Only 2% between A and B. How many boys are there? If C is to the left of A and B both, C is toward left of A, C is toward left of B. It means our position of B was right. No need to put B here, which we assumed earlier. So, C is like this. Now, we have 14 people. What we need total person? So, we have 14 people. Then we have C. Then we have A. Then we have 2 people. Then we have B. And then we have 7 people. So, total number of people are like this. 26. That's easy. What we need to do this kind of question is always the moment we say A is 16th from the left, put A and put the 15. That's the correct, that's the simplest way of solving those problems. Because these are easy type. When we do more problems where we are exchanging, do something, you have to be. So tell me how many of you are clear, how many have doubt? If everybody is clear, we'll do next question, otherwise ask me doubt. Should be is clear. Good. What about others? Quickly start writing CC or doubt. So everybody okay? Asta okay?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Brinda okay? Niti okay? Shubham? Perfect. So let's quickly try a new one. So you can try more examples. This time you will solve. I'll just watch. Solve, I'll write your answer and one of you will explain. That's it. Shoot it, everyone.
So, like, is it like south or something? Or
Nah.
what?
Top to bottom. Now south left. Top to bottom. You said from top and from bottom, right? So top to bottom.
So, sir, like there's a row of 35, I mean column of 35.
Exactly right. You are right. Shilpa 1. How? Let's see. Manchu. Let's see. I'm surprised. No one is got yet. Okay, let me solve this one. Next you will solve. Okay, guys?
Sir, just 1 minute.
Okay. Okay, Asta, you will solve with me. No problem. You will tell me what to do, I'll do. Okay?
Sir, I just have this simple logic behind this. So since it's 7th and 9th from that, so that means we count 7 blocks from the bottom, and that's where Kiran is, and then 9 from the top.
Wait.
Those two.
Wait. That is the important part. Kiran is placed 7 from the bottom. So this is Kiran. Correct?
Yes, sir.
So how many
And
people
for-
below Kiran will be there? Wait. First, see, you're explaining everybody now. So Kiran is placed 7 from the bottom. From bottom. So how many people will be below Kiran? 6 only, right?
6.
Good. Now Sonu placed 9 from the top. This is Sonu. Okay. So how many people before Sonu?
8.
8. That is what the first thing you did. Now, Pooja is placed exactly between the two. Between Sonu and Kiran. Pooja is here, right, Asta?
Yes, sir.
Now what? You tell me now what you're saying.
We add 8 plus 6, 14.
Exactly. 8 plus 6, 14 plus these 3. 17 people are placed on the rack.
Yes.
How many people are remaining now?
Then we minus it and we
So,
Okay.
35 minus 17, 18 people are remaining, correct?
yes, sir.
If 18 people remaining and we say Pooja is exactly between. So, 18 people means 9 will be here. Before Pooja, 9 will be after Pooja, right?
Yes, sir.
So, we got it now. Pooja is here. Question is, what is Kiran position from Pooja? Tell me now. What is
9,
Kiran's position from-
9,
Is it 9th,
9
10th or
guests
11th?
behind.
Answer is, what is Kiran's position from Pooja? Is it 9th, 10th or 11th?
10th.
Pakka? Is everyone right here now?
Yes, maybe.
Okay, maybe. It's like that. Suppose one pen is here. One pen is here. One pen is here. So this pen is what? First, second from there, right? So this pen is second from the first one. Similarly, Pooja is, or Kiran is. If Pooja is there. No, there. How many people are there? 1, 2, 3 till 9. So Kiran is obviously 10th. You're right. 10th. Because 1 to 9, first, second, third, fourth, seventh, eighth, 9. And then 10th is the Kiran. Lot of people do mistake of writing 11, guys, which is wrong. Or 9, which is also wrong. It's simply 9 people are between Pooja and Kiran. Everybody has got it. So what is Kiran position from Pooja? So from Pooja. So there is one person first, second, third, fourth, till 9 people are there. So Kiran will be 10. So tell me anybody, any confusion or different opinion, we can discuss.
सर ये
So can
17
you
कैसे
please
आया?
explain this again?
17 कैसे आया? देखो 35 टोटल थे. करेक्ट?
Yes
हेलो,
sir.
किसने पूछा था?
Yes sir.
मान्या ने पूछा था ना?
Yes sir, I
देखो
asked.
35 people were there. तो 8 people तो होगा यहाँ पे.
Yes sir.
Plus 1 सोनू 9.
9.
Plus पूजा 10.
So इसमें पूजा काउंट होएगी 17 काउंट
हाँ
करते हुए.
हाँ, क्योंकि हमने डाल दिया पूजा को वहाँ पे ऑलरेडी.
ओके ओके सर, बस यही था डाउट. हो गया.
करेक्ट. हो गया. तो
Thank
17,
you.
18. Thank you. Anybody else? Shall we? Okay. Anybody please ask me any question. Don't hesitate because we are going to do. हाँ बोलो.
So the question is 35 students are there. Kiran is placed 7th. All right.
Correct.
So we'll take 7 students from the below to
7th is
count
Kiran.
17. To count 17.
17 को भूल जाओ ना. शुभी एक सेकंड के लिए. देखो शुभी. Make it simple. The question make it very simple. Don't try to again reverse work. I'll tell you. Make it very simple for you. Okay शुभी.
Yes, sir.
देखो पहला लाइन पढ़ो.
In a class of 35 students,
टोटल 35 है सब मिला के. Right. Read
Kiran
now.
is placed 7 from the bottom.
Meaning क्या हुआ इसका?
She's 7th from the bottom.
हाँ तो उसके नीचे कितने लोग होंगे और? 6 लोग हैं तभी 7th होगा ना, तो 6 लोग यहाँ पे हो, फिर 7th किरण है नीचे से, राइट?
Yes, sir.
कोई डाउट है यहाँ पे?
हाँ.
पूछो।
Sonu is placed 9th from the top, तो Sonu is at 9th position and उसके ऊपर 8 लोग हैं.
ये भी ठीक है, सोनू यहाँ पे है। अभी कितने लोग हो गए इस रैक पे?
9 और 7.
करेक्ट?
हाँ.
16 people you put already?
Yes, sir.
अब पढ़ो नेक्स्ट।
Pooja is placed exactly between of two.
किन टू? सोनू किरण, राइट?
हाँ.
इन दोनों के एग्जैक्टली बिटवीन में पूजा है।
Yes, sir.
So पूजा ऑलरेडी पुट इट और नॉट?
We have already put it.
So 17 अपना हो गए।
हाँ.
35 में 17 भी ऑलरेडी पुट। कितने लोग बचे हैं अभी?
18. हाँ 18
लोग बचेंगे। उसने बोला पूजा इज एग्जैक्टली बिटवीन, मतलब कि जितने लोग यहाँ हैं उतने भी यहाँ होंगे।
हाँ.
तो 18 डिवाइड बाय 2, 9 ऊपर 9 नीचे।
9. हाँ.
अब देखो टोटल काउंट हुए कि नहीं, पहले तो देखो टोटल 35 हुए कि नहीं।
35 हो गए।
काउंट कर लो एक बार सब। 8 प्लस
5 प्लस 9, हाँ हो गए सर।
35 हो गए। अब बचा लास्ट क्वेश्चन, व्हाट इज किरण पोजीशन फ्रॉम?
ओके, सो वी विल काउंट एट 10। ओके ओके।
पूजा है, उसके बाद 9 लोग हैं, 9 1 to 10 and then 10 किरण।
ओके 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 सर,
दैट्स इट। Is everybody okay? Shall ready for next question now? Next question, I expect everyone to get same answer and correct answer, guys. Okay? Otherwise, ask me now. It is exactly same question. No twist. Twist उसके बाद करेंगे हम लोग. Okay? Ranking is the very important topic. Every exam you get it. Every exam. चाहे वो IBPS हो, CSET हो, even CAT हो. Concept remains same. It becomes more difficult. That's it.
Sir, 24.
Write on the chat. Anybody finding it difficult? So answer is 24, 24, 22. Okay, keep writing everyone. Who will solve this with me? Any one of you? Unmute any one of you. And tell your name, we'll solve together. Any one of you. I don't want the answer. You will solve with me. Then the last question you were saying? Brinda, in the last question, we were counting how many people we put. So let's do this question, Brinda. After that, okay, Brinda, unmute. We'll do with you this question. And I'll tell you after last question how we did, okay? Unmute and come on screen. Haan, Brinda. Unmute, please. Read the first line.
N ranked 5th in the class.
So what are you going to do now?
N is getting 5th rank in the class.
So,
class.
so how many people are before N?
4.
So let's put 4. Done.
S is 8.
That is the best way to solve. Okay. S is
8 from the last.
what I'm going to do?
8th one from the last.
And how many people I put after S?
That is not that we could not guess.
Why we cannot guess? 8 from the last. लिखा तो है obviously 7 or not. देखो last से 8th means 7 people in the end, right?
Sir, it may be 10. Oh, how we could?
From last, suppose, okay, don't mind. I'll give you an example. Okay, don't mind. You are running a race
Okay.
and you came second last. How many people are after you?
1.
1. How good you got 1 now? If I say you are 5th from the last, you are 5th from the last. How many people are after you? 4 only, right?
4, yes, sir.
Similarly, 8th from the last. So after that, 7 only will happen, right?
Okay, sir.
No, are you convinced or not?
Yes, sir. Now I got it, sir. What I thought was, last from the 8 means, I thought it may be more than 7 or 10.
No. It's not last from that. It's 8th from the last. So whatever last person is, it is 8th from that. So it means 7 people are there after that. Read the next line.
Then if t is 6 after n and just in the middle of n and s.
So let me put t first. So very careful. When you say t is 6th after n,
Okay,
so
sir.
how many people will there between n and t? Tell me. T is 6th after n.
6 after n. N is 5th. T is 6th.
No,
So
forget,
between.
no. Forget 5th and all. T is 6th after n. Forget before that. Some position n is there. After that, t is 6th. So between that, how many people will there?
5, I think.
That's it.
Uh,
It doesn't matter which position n is. N is, they are saying t is 6th after n.
yes, sir.
No, they are saying n is middle of the n and s.
Yes,
T
sir.
is the middle of n and s. So how
Yes,
many
sir.
people between t and s?
Between t and s, 5th. 5.
5 again.
5 again.
We have put everybody or not? Now count
Yes.
how many people are there. 4 plus 1 5 plus 5 10
5.
plus 1 11 5 16 17 7.
Totally
I
20.
just counted all. Same last time also I did the same thing exactly.
Yeah, okay, sir.
I just count. You know, Brinda and everybody, the main object, the main, you can say, trick to solve the question is, the moment you write n is 5th, write 4. 8th from the last, write 7. That's the best way to solve question. Clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Thank you. Is everyone okay on this? Shubham, what's the question, please? Unmute and ask me.
Sir, how this before yes the 5 came?
This 5?
Yes, sir.
Dekho, read this line, Shubham.
Yeah, if t is a 6, then after n, just middle of n and s.
T is in the exactly middle of n and s.
Yes.
T is exactly middle.
Yes.
तो T के पहले बीच में कितने 5 है यहाँ पे, right?
Yes.
यहाँ भी 5 होने चाहिए ना?
Yes, sir. Understand.
Perfect. Anybody else? Shubhi, all good? Asta, Manya, all good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Ready for more difficult question?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see more difficult now. I'm just scaring you guys. It's not difficult. It's just let me get this. And ranking is an important topic. Sequencing, sometimes it comes, but ranking, every question, every exam, ranking questions are there. And this is the method you can apply everywhere. Please try this question. If you do fast, we'll do one more question after this. Okay. Try, everybody. It is interchanging of position. Very interesting question. Himanshu, it was clear last question, right, Himanshu? You got 24 right. Good. Divya, confusing? What confusing, Divya? Ask me.
Yeah, this question, sir.
This question is not confusing. When I solve, you'll say, oh, sir, it was so easy. I'll tell you the method. Interchange, how it works. Very easy. Who want to solve this question with me? Venki got 33, Binda got 33. Okay. Tell me who want to solve this with me quickly. Any one of you. Shubham got 40. Who will solve this? Shubhi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Where are you? You are not speaking at all. Clear है सब कुछ?
हाँ सब ठीक है सर.
ये solve करेंगे. बहुत easy है देखो. It will be so easy.
Yes.
Read the
Yes,
first
sir.
line.
Kiran's position from the left in a row of the student is 12th.
बस तो क्या करने वाले हैं हम लोग? What we should do?
So we'll start from left और mid. हाँ 12 एक block बना के 12th position पे किरण है.
So what should we write where?
Here it will be 11.
Before Kiran.
Before Kiran.
Yes, this is the most important point always. Left say 11, so 11. Next what?
And Rahul's position from the right is 20. So right से एक block बना के Rahul आ जाएगा. That is 20 and after Rahul we'll write 19.
Now it also can happen that Rahul is left side of Kiran. We can see later.
Okay.
Okay. Rahul can be somewhere here also. We don't know.
Okay.
If number of people are less
Okay.
than 20. Okay. Then
After interchanging their position, Kiran becomes 22nd from the left.
see now how easy it is, Shubhi. And everybody who is telling difficult. First of all, Shubhi, what we saying? Interchanging position.
Yes, sir.
So at Kiran position, who will come?
Rahul.
Rahul. And Rahul position?
Kiran.
Kiran. What it says after interchanging, Kiran becomes
22nd position from the left.
22nd from the left. Now tell me, 22nd from the left means from the starting till Kiran. How many people will there? From starting on the left side till Kiran, how many people will there?
21.
Including Kiran.
Not including Kiran, no, sir.
No, I am saying including Kiran now.
22.
22. Agree, everybody?
Yes,
The
sir.
meaning of the sentence is only right from starting till
Hello.
Kiran. 22 only, right? And then, how many more are there?
19.
That's it. हो गया question solved. Right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
22 plus 19, 41. No, ask me doubt. Thank you, Shubhi. Ask me anybody any
Thank you,
doubt.
sir.
Tell me, was it difficult, Divya?
No, sir,
It is
easy.
not 42. It is 41, guys.
Sir, I was very close to it.
Array, Asta, it doesn't work like that, Asta. You are close. But in ranking question, you have to be exact because option in the exam you will get like this. 40, 41, 42, 43.
So interchanging का बहुत मतलब maximum questions इसी के आते हैं confused.
I know. But Shubhi, interchanging में सबसे पहले क्या करो? Position बना लो. यहाँ पे देखो 11
So that
ही
will
होंगे.
help a lot.
यहाँ पे 11 ही होंगे. That's a good point.
हाँ.
That's the main thing helping us. It will be 19 only here.
Yes, sir.
If you do like this, then interchanging will be very easy.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Shubham didn't include Kiran. Okay. But everybody got the idea now?
Yes, sir.
See, we are running short of time, but let's do one more question quickly, okay? But you got a good idea how to approach this all, right? Right. Very one more question, one more question. Let's do a little different now. Easy, but different. And this RMA, this workshop is going to be very interesting because we are going to do just fun. Today is a more calculation class. From tomorrow, it's all about speaking more, writing less. Okay, go for this question. And Asha is a girl, guys.
Student 60
And
student.
guys, I am telling you one more thing. Asha is a girl. A lot of people say, sir, how can you assume Asha is a girl? So I am telling you, Asha is a girl. You can assume. And here we are still doing little easier part. And Asta, you enjoying? Skan says 7, okay. Let's see how many people get it. Himanshu gets 12, okay. Divya got 7. I want everyone to get it. Shilpa, are you getting it all?
Yes sir, but like practice
But
के
like,
बाद बनेंगे.
थोड़ा practice तो करना पड़ेगा. But it's not easy. This is very easy topic.
Yes sir.
The only difficult topic here in this syllogism, which we'll do in maybe 2 or 3 days later.
Okay sir.
Who want to solve this? Anybody who's not spoken to me in this class? Who is totally silent? Who want to solve this? Divya want to solve. Divya, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Divya, read the first statement and we'll start doing together.
Yes. In a school, there are 60 students in a certain class.
And it's a top, so I draw top to bottom. Okay.
Okay.
It said total 60. Let me write total 60. Read next.
Where number of boys is twice that of girls.
So this information will help me or not to find how many boys, how many girls?
Yes, sir.
How many boys, how many girls?
60 divide 3.
To get the number. You are right.
Yes,
So
sir.
number of boys is twice that of girls. So boys 40
Yes.
हो गए, girls 20 हो गई.
Yes, girls 20, sir.
Everybody okay on this? Read next.
Harsha is ranked 17 from the top.
Shall put somewhere Asha here.
Yes, sir.
What should I put on top of Asha? Which number I should put here?
16.
Perfect. Next.
If there are 9 boys ahead of Harsha.
Out of the 16, 9
Yes.
are boys.
Yes, sir.
How many will be girls?
8.
Arey?
Sorry, 7.
Okay. So out
with
of 16.
Harsha 8, sir. With Harsha 8.
I don't say, I say out of 16.
Yes,
So
sir.
7. Next.
Yeah.
Then how many girls are there
Yes,
after
sir.
Asha?
Yes, sir.
Total girls are?
20.
Out of 7 gone?
20 minus 8.
20 minus 8. 12 remaining.
Yes, sir.
12 girls will be
sir.
here.
Yes, sir.
And how many boys will be there? How many boys will be there? Nobody calculated.
31.
See, total people are 16 plus 17 here. So how many people were there? So 16 plus 17 people are there out of 60. So 43 people, right?
But boys count is 14.
I am saying total 43, right?
Yes, sir.
So 16 plus 43 plus 60. Now,
Yes,
out of 43, 12 are girls.
Girls.
So 31 are boys.
Yes.
This question talk only about girls, so 12 is the right answer.
Yeah, 40 minus 9 also we can do directly.
Whichever way you want.
Yeah, okay.
Sir,
Don't
I
calculate.
have one doubt.
Yes, please.
सर उसमें लिखा है कि if there are 9 boys ahead of Asha, तो वो नीचे की तरफ नहीं होने चाहिए थे.
नहीं
Ahead
नहीं,
है.
रैंकिंग में क्या होता है? मान्या, we both are working, we both are studying in school. You are ahead of me. तुम्हारी रैंक मुझसे अच्छी हुई या बुरी हुई?
अच्छी हुई.
तो अच्छी हुई पहले रैंक होगी, तो रैंक फर्स्ट, सेकंड, थर्ड, फोर्थ, एट्थ ऐसे होगी या बाद में होगी मेरे?
Okay, sir.
That is the
Got it.
meaning of it. Good, Manya. Any other question, anyone?
Sir, still it's not clear to me, sir.
Ask me which point is not clear. We'll talk about it.
Sir, how you are getting that the total number of boys and girls separately, and how you
How
are
many total? I will do one by one. 60 people are there.
yes, sir.
Number of boys is twice of girls.
Okay, sir.
Say number of boys is x. So 2x. Say number of girls is x. Again, we don't need x and y, but just to explain you.
Okay,
Number
sir.
of boys is twice that of girls. Suppose girls are x. So boys will be how much? 2x or not?
2x.
So total will be 60. Total are 60, right?
Yes, sir.
So girls plus boys should be 60. 2x plus
Yes,
3x. 3x is 60.
3x
Is equal to 60. What is x?
20.
So x is 20. Girls are 20. If 20 are girls, how many are boys? 40.
20 square.
Agree?
40.
Double. So this
Okay,
part is
sir.
done. What is the next part?
Then Asha is ranked 17th from the top.
17 from the top. If 17 from top, so how many people are there before Asha?
16.
No doubt.
Yes, sir. No doubt.
It says there are 9 boys ahead of Asha. It
Yes,
means
sir.
how many people are ahead of Asha? 16.
16.
Out of 16, 9 are boys.
9 are boys. Then remaining 8.
Remaining 7.
7, sir. Sorry.
So 7 are girls. No, total girls are how many?
20.
Out of 7 are here. Top.
Bottom will be 13.
No. Asha also there, na?
Okay, sir.
So 7 plus 8 are gone. Only 12 remaining, right?
Yes, sir.
7 girls are here.
Okay, sir.
Plus Asha is also a girl. I said clearly.
Yes, sir.
So out of 28 are done. So 12 are here.
12. Yes, sir. 12 girls.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Good. Anybody?
So
Any
you
question?
said, in your other classes, some people have asked that Asha is a boy or a girl. So it is already clearly, we can see that okay, Asha is a girl.
It's because of the answer.
Nana, Shubhi, what is the question?
No, sir, there is no question. I'm just saying that you said that in your other classes already many people have asked that okay, Asha is a girl or a boy.
I'll tell you why. Because some people go to so much root of the word. So how can you assume Asha is a girl?
So the name only suggests that Asha is a girl.
I know, Shubhi, but sometimes people can question that. Because sometimes some names we can use for both, male, female. So don't assume that. That's the reason I said.
Sir, but in blood relations, we cannot assume like Asha is a girl.
You are right, and we cannot assume here also ideally. You are exactly right, Skanda. We cannot assume in blood relation. In many topics, we cannot assume. But sometimes when people don't write question properly, here question was ideally they should say Asha, who is a girl. So I specified. You are right, Skanda. Anything else? Anyone? That completes today's class. Sorry, we got 10 minutes late. We try to complete every day 1 hour, but today no class I have after this, so it's okay. Okay? All good? How did you feel, Brinda?
Yes, sir. I feel better.
Himanshu? Good. Himanshu? So everybody understood the topic, sequencing as well as ranking. So see you tomorrow. We'll start another new topic. 7 days, we cover all those materials. Thank you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye.